God wasn't all he said he'd be. When your back's against the wall, that's the hardest place of all.
Magandang umaga po at welcome po sa ating programa, My Morning Manna with Pastor OG. Buksan po natin ang ating mga banal na kasulatan sa aklat po ng 1 Corinthians chapter 10 verse 31. Ito po ang pagkasabi sa 1 Corinthians chapter 10 verse 31. Whatever you do, do all to the glory of God. My topic this morning is glory to God. Most of the time mga kapatid, pag tayo'y naka-accomplish siyang bagay, sinasabi natin glory to God. Why? Because it's not because of us, it's because of God leading us and giving us the strength to do the things, lalo na yung mga mahihirap na bagay. Depend upon God for His power and to view every act as important since it will reflect on His glory. Kahit ano man yan mga bagay na ginagawa natin, always give glory to God because it's God who give us strength. The next time you face a huge task, remember that God is our strength. And when you encounter for seemingly insignificant one, determined to do it with excellence to the glory of God. Kung ang isang bagay ay parang napakaliit lang, still we have to do the best that we can. Bakit po? Because it's all for the glory of God. Sabi ni William Carey, mga kapatid, dito ako magtatapos, expect great things from God, attempt great things for God. Yun po yung paalala sa atin ni William Carey, na ano pong ibig sabihin, na kung tayo po'y gagawa, we have to do the best that we can because we know that God is with us and we will succeed in whatever endeavor we will have. Maaring dadaan tayo sa failure because failure is the way through success. Diyan tayo dadaan talaga sa failure na yan. But remember, God is always with us. Always give God the glory in everything we do in our lives. God bless po at magandang umaga.